Thank you, join.
Thank you.
Buenas noches.
You just have one mic.
Gracias a todas y a todos por estar en esta conferencia de prensa posterior al partido Jamaica-Nicaragua. Sean bienvenidos en nombre de Concacaf, de National League, la Federación Nicaragüense de Fútbol. Vamos a permitir la primera pregunta del compañero de Jamaica y posteriormente venimos nosotros. Así que, por favor, para el periodista de Jamaica, la primera pregunta.
Robert, you first. Okay, Coach, victory for Jamaica puts Jamaica at the top of the standings, needing only a draw now to make progress. Your thoughts on what transpired this evening?
I think we knew it was going to be a tough game. The environment, I thought the crowd were fantastic, great atmosphere. That's what football's about. Against a difficult opponent, well coached, very possession based, created opportunities, didn't quite have the finish. We defended very well, and on a difficult surface which we've not played and not used to. I've got to credit the players for the mentality, because everything's against you. I'm not saying the officials also, but we had our moments. So I'm pleased with the performance, the result, and where we are at the top of the league. But we need to do a job on Monday. We want to continue the development, the identity which we have, keep the spirit, and a tough game on Monday against Honduras. But congratulations to Nicaragua for, I thought, a very good performance. But just in the end, the quality in the penalty box that we had won us the game.
Bueno, prácticamente sabíamos que iba a ser un partido muy difícil, muy complicado ante un gran oponente. La verdad que tienen un buen coach que lo está manejando, un buen manager. La presión fue bastante, sin embargo el ambiente fue increíble, la gente se reunió y la verdad fue una atmósfera muy impactante. Sin embargo, sabíamos que teníamos que hacer lo que teníamos que lograr. Al fin y al cabo, la calidad en el área del punto penal se logró notar y es por eso que logramos el partido. Tenemos bastante ánimo, bastante espíritu de conseguirlo, seguir adelante. El lunes nos toca un partido más con Honduras, algo muy complicado, y tenemos ese ánimo de seguir adelante. Estamos encima de la liga, arriba, pero hay que seguir adelante y continuar, que es lo que estamos buscando.
Marlon Mancilla.
Buenas noches para el míster. A pesar de que se lleva la victoria Jamaica, no hubo un claro dominio. Nicaragua hizo 17 disparos, 6 directos, buenas salvadas del portero. ¿Se va contento usted con el desempeño de su equipo o por ahí esos dos errores puntuales de Nicaragua en la marca fue la diferencia? ¿Qué cree usted que lo pasó o cuál es lo que va a meditar de lo que pasó en la noche de hoy?
All right, so despite clearly won 2-0. Nicaragua had 17 shots, 6 of them to the goal key. And despite all of that, analyzing the game and what will happen afterwards, what do you think happened to Nicaragua to the downfall? And secondly, what do you think you guys need to improve on?
I think we want to build a possession game, and we didn't quite have that. I think the surface was difficult. Took us a while to get used to that. I think the first half especially. Second half we were a lot more composed and controlled the game better. The difference is each penalty area. We had quality, a couple of good moves, we scored, and you had opportunities. We blocked, we headed away, and Andre made a fantastic save at the end. Because if that had gone in, then the last 5 minutes would have been very tense.
Bueno, a pesar de todo, nosotros intentamos hacer un partido con posesión. Nicaragua tuvo mucho mayor dominio en esa parte. Sin embargo, nosotros teníamos la calidad. André hizo una excelente atajada al final, que si de no haber pasado así, realmente los últimos 5 minutos hubieran sido más intensos. También teníamos la desventaja de la superficie, no estábamos acostumbrados. En la primera parte nos complicó mucho el juego de Nicaragua y en la segunda nos acostumbramos y la verdad contento del resultado.
Mason, 24 hours ago, you were not eligible to take the field for Jamaica. Fast forward, you became eligible, got your clearance, got a taste of the action, came out on a winning team. Talk to us about the anticipation and the execution.
Yeah, obviously, like you said, 24 hours ago, I wasn't sure if I'd be eligible or not for this game, but I came in. The gaffer and the rest of the squad have been welcome, and it feels like I've been here a very long time. I'm very excited for the game, whether it was just watching or whether I could be part of it. And luckily, my clearance came through in time to come on. And I think in that kind of situation, my experience playing in those kind of games can help close and shut out games. And I think it's something that I relish and look forward to coming on and being part of a clean sheet. But I think the lads that were out there did the best, good in both boxes. I think they were great today. It's not an easy place to come, it's not an easy pitch. A lot of teams would have made excuses about that I've been part of it before. But the boys didn't, the boys just got on with it, played, sorted it out, and the issues themselves come out winning, and that's what it was all about today. And I think there's some games where you can play good football and not get results, and there's some games where you get results and you can say you've not played football, but I know which one I prefer. You prefer to get the results, and you did that today.
Okay, excellent. Bueno, Mason Holgate dice de que sí, definitivamente hace 24 horas no estaba muy seguro si iba a poder estar en la alineación. Sin embargo, estoy contento de que así fue, porque realmente me gustó mucho haber apoyado a mi equipo con mi experiencia. Estoy seguro que les colaboré a los muchachos. De hecho, los muchachos hicieron un excelente trabajo. Sé que el compromiso que entregaron fue mucho, y realmente, a pesar de todo, dimos lo mejor que pudimos. La experiencia sobrellevó y pues muy contento con el resultado. La verdad, estamos aquí para no dar excusas, sino para poner las cartas sobre la mesa y dar los resultados.
Hombre de Martínez.
Muy buenas noches, Mr. Juan Martínez de Radio Nicaragua. En 2015, Nicaragua y Jamaica jugaron 2 partidos. Victoria de Nicaragua en Kingston, victoria de Jamaica aquí en Managua. ¿Hubo algo de esos 2 partidos de los que Mr. McClaren haya tomado algún apunte, o fue algo totalmente distinto para el desafío del día de hoy?
So, Nicaragua played 2 matches, one in Kingston. We won, and the second one here locally, and we lost. So, taking into consideration those matches and what happened now, was there something that you took advices of or notes to put it into practice in this match?
No, we watched the last 5 games from Nicaragua, so we knew everything about them. And it doesn't matter what happened years ago, we knew that this was a tough place to come. Hostile environment. We've been Honduras, and well, I'm just learning. It's like Mason, we're learning about Concacaf, and what an experience. It's so different. I know the Honduras game, the atmosphere here, fantastic crowd, and tough games. There is not an easy game in this Concacaf. I know that. So we're delighted with the result. Delighted to come away from here with 3 points. But congratulations to Nicaragua. They're certainly growing. Congratulations to the coach for coaching a very good team.
Bueno, prácticamente hemos estado observando los últimos 5 partidos de Nicaragua y, en resumen, teníamos todo de conocer de Nicaragua. Sabíamos exactamente cómo iba a jugar y de la manera como iban a plantearse. Así que no hubo diferencia en el pasado con lo de ahora, nos enfocamos en eso. Sabíamos que iba a ser muy complicado, la verdad el terreno también juega un punto a favor. Sin embargo, estamos muy contentos de que el resultado se nos dio. De hecho, la atmósfera aquí en Nicaragua tiene un ambiente muy increíble, una gente muy que apoya mucho su equipo. La verdad que nuevamente es contento de llevarnos los 3 puntos de aquí, irnos con la victoria y sobre todo, como decía Mason, llevarnos la experiencia de que estamos aprendiendo de Concacaf.
Bueno, agradecerle al profesor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Gracias.
That was it.
Buenas tardes.
Yeah.
Okay, I wanted to ask Coach one more question. Can you share your thoughts with us on the officiating tonight?
I think the silence tells you everything.
Can you say the question again?
Yeah, I wanted the coach to share with us his thoughts on the officiating in the game tonight.
Oh, okay.
I gotta say, I thought it was a difficult game to referee because I think the surface causes a lot of fouls, a lot of small fouls, accidental fouls that look worse than they possibly are. I didn't think, it's my opinion, that we got the fair share of the decisions, but we had to live with that. And it's one of the things we said before the game. The players and the coach, emotional control was important. And we demonstrated, I think, in the second half, tremendous emotional control, despite the environment, the field, everything being against us. The spirit of the team saw us through.
Realmente no creo que hubiera alguna decisión arbitraria que opinar. Considero de que esto es un partido de fútbol, el fútbol es como es. Sin embargo, considero que debido a la cancha, el tipo de terreno que estábamos jugando, hubieron ciertas jugadas que causaban ciertas decisiones. Pero de nuevo no estoy aquí para realmente opinar de eso, estamos aquí para ver cómo se desempeñó el partido, el juego. El equipo tuvo una excelente dinámica, un excelente espíritu. Y al fin y al cabo, de mi punto de vista, no creo que nos hayamos llevado las mejores de las decisiones arbitrales, pero nuevamente es un partido de fútbol y se desarrolla de esa manera.
El jefe de prensa de Jamaica.
Mace, can you talk about how welcoming the players, the staff, and of course the fans have been on social media towards you coming to Jamaica and settling in with the squad?
Yeah, it's been great. Like I said to boss last night before my clearances even came through. It feels like I've been here a very, very long time. Luckily for me, I've been in the league, so there's a few of the boys that I played against and a few that I knew coming in. But like I said, it feels like I've been here for years, and it's a very welcoming group. And not only that, the fans have been great with me. I think the fans have been great with me before I even came for a very long time. So to be able to finally get everything sorted and be able to get out there and wear the kit and be part of the team properly is something that I'm very, very proud of, and I'm sure my family will be as well.
I think it's something that we really push for as well. So I got to thank the JFF, the board, the president, Roy Simpson, because I've been pestering them for a long, long time, the last few weeks, to make sure that we bring in the likes of Mason, of that quality experience, because we needed that tonight. Without Casey Palmer, without Mikel Antonio, who got injured last night, not making the field an excuse, but got injured. We had to deal with that. So we needed Mason tonight. He came on and did the job.
Me sentí muy acogido por los fanáticos y realmente el equipo también. No sentí que estuviera en un equipo que nunca había trabajado conmigo. Me acogieron muy bien, me trataron muy bien y es algo que me siento muy orgulloso de poder venir aquí, poder ser parte de la integración y dinámica del equipo y sobre todo poder contribuir. Realmente es algo que me enorgullece y estoy muy contento al respecto de poder haber ayudado. Y referente acá, prácticamente estamos muy contentos y muy agradecidos con el presidente de que nos haya permitido obtener este tipo de talentos. Realmente la calidad era necesaria y nos demostró. Hubo un jugador que se lesionó, no podemos decir exactamente que pudo haber sido la cancha, pero sí pudo haber sido la cancha. Sin embargo, estamos contentos de contar con la calidad de Mason, que es por eso que pudimos lograr estos 3 puntos.
Okay. Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Nah.
Vamos a hacer un
Gracias.